Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna teaching you the property is enumerable in the object constructor. So what this method does is return you a boolean that indicating or saying that is that specified property is enumerable or not. So what we're gonna do is first we need to create a const and name it as array1. So as you know, it is a array of empty, an empty array to be specific. And what we're gonna do is type we also need to create an empty object constant object1 and empty object. So when we're done with that, what we're gonna do is object1 dot property create as a property 1 and let it equals to 42. And then what we're gonna do is array1 and pass 0 in the 0th of the array be 42. So when we're done with that, what we're gonna do is log it on the console, and prototype for the object is the object1 and object1 dot property. And now we're gonna use that method called property is enumerable. So is what the heck is enumerable. So when we do that, it's gonna give you it's gonna give you a boolean, but you need to specify the specific property. So here it's property 1. When we do that, it's gonna give you the true. So this is what it does. If we do with an array, it's gonna give you that. So the non-enumerable properties are the length of an array. It's not the it's a part of the object properties, but it's not it's a predefined properties, not you need to define that. So what we're gonna do is now we're gonna check with array. So array1. So if we pass like 0, because it's a 0, we already passed the 0th of the array, so it's true. But if we pass length, even though it is property, it's not gonna show because it's not a predefined property. It's a property which are already defined in the array constructor. So false. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.